I'm here at Fattal's in Paterson, and the renovation isn't complete yet, but there's a great deal of work that's been done, and now it doesn't look like the renovation is going to be completed until the spring. But look at this beautiful new oven bar with the shawarma on the rotisserie. All of the grocery shelves are set up. There's some of the dairy products, the cheeses, the string cheeses, yogurt, some fresh produce in the back. Mahmajin, and meat pies. There's some the bread, the famous bread. They're baking it here now. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. The bakery has been going for about 6 months, hidden away in the back. It's the first time I've ever been back here. I don't think it was open before. Still obviously a work in progress. Olive bar. Some pots and Turkish coffee pots with these rolling pins. Want a date? This is where you'll find it. There's a whole section of frozen items, including kibbeh and caramel. This is from the Burek factory in South Paterson. To Paterson to pick up canned hummus with tahina. I also got some sardines and tomato sauce. There's a low sodium content compared to others. Chickpeas by mistake. The hummus is down here. Bano Berde Baranda I've been buying for a while. Virgin olive oil from Lebanon. Virgin olive oil from Morocco. See the tins up here. And Greece. And other places, I'm not sure where. Getting low on the crushed red pepper, the Aleppo pepper. I'm looking for it here. So it's still a work in progress. Completion date now has been pushed back to the spring. It's February right now, so we'll see what happens. The parking lot still sort of a mess. I'm not sure they actually paved the whole thing. A section of it was unpaved for many years. So the new Fattals, it doesn't look that new anymore, but the facade is new. The inside is work in progress. Still some same great foods available here.